Hi everybody, Dom here from Essential RC with Trev on camera. So you may have seen my live stream on Facebook and YouTube the other day unboxing the Super Tucano from Avios through Hobby King. So easy to put together. Don't need to do an assembly video for this because it literally bolts together and you've got about 10 bolts and that's it. Putting the tail together, very easy. All the servos already hooked up to the control surfaces, every single one. There's nothing to do there. The scheme is pre-applied, nothing to do. You do have to add a little bit of scale detail like that, and on either side of the tail at the top there and underneath. Glue those in with Yoo-hoo pour or super glue or something like that. The canopy, cockpit, all done. You don't need to do anything there, and the nice scale feature there, the latch to take that off. Inside, I'm flying this. If you come a bit closer, Trev, you see I've got a Radio Master ER8 ELRS protocol receiver in here, and I'm using my transparent style Radio Master TX16S Mark II for guidance. Really good. I wouldn't call them a budget radio, but they're just so much cheaper than everything else. But all these other premium makes, but they do exactly the same. Fantastic radios running at HTX. So yes, so assembly really easy. Scale 5-blade prop, individual blades, which is kind of good, I think, because if you damage one blade, you can just buy a spare rather than the whole thing. Scale retracts, you've got lights on this as well. I even noticed there's one here in the side. These are supposed to be day bright lights, so we'll see how easy it is to see them while I'm flying. But we'll try and do a dusk flight at some time, in some future video, to see how good they look as well. So we're all set. I'm going to be dropping in a Turnigy 6S 4000 pack that Trevor's kindly lent me. So Hobby King doing a new range of really good lipos, so look those up. Actually, at the time of this video, this is available for pre-order. So if you are interested in getting this, you might want to pre-order from that first batch so you're not disappointed. But the other attractive thing is you can get it with a free lipo battery to go with it as well. And let's face it, lipos can be quite expensive. So you might want to take advantage of that pre-order deal, which will inevitably disappear as soon as they come into stock. Well, I think that is likely. So I'll put the battery in. Let's get this in the air. Okay, here we go. Flaps 1. Here we go. Okay, trimming for level flight, always do that, and would you believe it doesn't need any. If all the control surfaces are at neutral and you got the CG, then it's unlikely you're going to need to make any adjustments. But oh my god, look at it, it's locked in already.
That's quite slow, or that was...
No, that's half throttle. Give me time.
No, I meant in a good way.
It's slow and stable.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah, so let's wind it up progressively. Going to my middle rates, I was barely using any of the stick on the full rate. Here we go, wind it up. almost got a turbine whine to it.
Oh, it has, hasn't it?
You love that sound.
Yeah.
That's that 5-blade prop.
Yeah, that's...
Right, and going to low rate. Certainly it doesn't need a lot of throw on those control surfaces. Okay.
Oh, look at that. Won't get much smoother than that.
I'd say that's a successful maiden flight. Whoa! I think the one thing I need more rudder for sustained knife edge, but that's the one minor thing I need to change for the next flight. But I was amazed. Well, I was kind of amazed at the start. I didn't need any trim for level flight, hands off, and then that sound from that 5-blade prop. I mean, it sounds like a real turbo prop because, of course, you can't hear the engines for those. except on the ground when they're starting up. But in the air you can't hear a proper turboprop engine, you're just hearing the prop noise, so it sounds like the real thing. Don't get any better than that. The lights looked really good, the scheme looks good in the air, takeoff was super easy and super gentle, flick the retracts up straight away, flaps up, clean, and then around, and then just getting used to it and doing fast low passes, some gentle aerobatics, and then the landing was just super easy, and actually able to hoik it around with this wind quite quickly and quite late, and then just let it settle down on the mains. Really, and bigger flies better, it has to be said. If this was in a 1 meter or smaller size, it would not fly as well as this. So 1.6 meters, absolutely ideal for this type of model. Love it, love it, love it, love it. More, we need more of this type of stuff, Avios. Well done, well done, well done. So we'll do more flight videos of this, hopefully at dusk, so you can see the lights even better than this, and a few more. Hopefully with some onboard cameras. And thanks for watching Essential RC. This is why I do it. I love flying this type of stuff. That is so easy to put together, so accessible. You just got to make the order, get it, put your receiver in and go fly. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks for Trevor on camera. Bye everybody. Job done.
Yeah,
Wow. So good.